Nope.
We're not actually. I don't know who lives here. No, I don't.
You guys haven't been drinking or anything, right?
No.
Okay, drive careful, okay?
Will do, thank you.
Did they?
I can go get them real quick.
These? This is what the other group had that ran away.
Oh, really? You just ditched it? Awesome.
Yeah, those ones kept walking in the car and the other one around the back corner.
Nice. Truly's for the win. Moscow 157. Got it at 1122 Queen Road. Yes. That's hilarious. Like you, as soon as they know it's the cops, everyone does the same thing. They're like, they just like blend into the darkness.
It's a normal day.
This is a regular day. You spend a lot of time doing this, and students are here. Yeah.
The girl answered the door at her market.
I saw that. Yep.
We're only here for a noise complaint. Come to the damn door.
Those things like frustrating. You're like, we'll figure out who lives here eventually.
Yeah. Let me go around back. I'll be undercover.
Yeah.
Oh,
hey.
So if they don't come to the door.
What's that?
Well, they don't come to the door.
I mean, it's not really push the issue.
Yeah.
Probably just leave, but so they're all mostly students, so
Yeah.
the campus officers can figure out who lives here, and then honestly, it's a lot worse for them if they don't come to the
How
door.
often does campus get involved?
Pretty frequently. Like if they, campus will.
Pretty good about it.
If students get in trouble, they will. If they get in trouble, the campus, it's actually honestly for like minor stuff, campus will hammer, like suspend them or kick them out altogether, or lose all your financial aid. Like it's pretty serious. So they've had several kids like get super hammered and fall off balconies over the years and stuff and die. So they take it pretty serious. Children. Come to the door, guys. Send whoever lives here down to the door. We're not leaving. And we can also see you. Yeah. Abandoned property. Moscow 157. Do we have any recent involvements at 1122 Queen?
No one's here that.
No one's here that lives here. No one's here that lives
So everyone here is trespassing?
Well, no one's here that's trespassing, but no one that lives here is here right now.
So where'd they go?
They're they're just not here. I have no clue where they're at. No clue.
So you guys just throwing a party in their house at
They
this
were
time?
here at one point. They're not here right now. I just
Got
searched
fixed.
all the rooms.
They left and went over to some other party, and everyone is about to
I
leave
just
and
searched
go
all
over
the
to
rooms.
another party.
Who does? What are their names?
I am actually not sure. I live across the street. I just came over. I haven't drank a drop.
Male, female?
I think it's mainly females. I think it's like
What sport is it?
Bats flying
I,
around.
I don't know if they're. I don't know if they're.
I don't.
So I guarantee you they're associated with the sport. Many of them are living here. It's on campus sorority house. I've been a cop for 22 years here. I'm not stupid. Play young games with me. I'd rather deal with this as a noise complaint. Getting the whole council and the report and all of that. Just the students. All I want to do is get
All these college houses?
Yeah, almost all college students.
So people up on the hill probably didn't know most of them.
Yep. And this is kind of like it's kind of a fishbowl in here, so if they get party, it echoes like crazy.
I'd be under the assumption you guys are unlawfully entered because no one lives here is here.
Okay.
Right?
We'll go
So
go
I
get
need
the
to
phone
verify
number.
that there was a party here.
We'll go get a phone number. We'll be right back. Sorry, we're not trying to make your life.
I understand. I just letting you know this is how it's going to play out. I'm not going anywhere until I talk to somebody.
We're not trying to be
We'll be
hard.
right
Just
back.
no
You guys
one
want to see
lives
the door
here.
open for us? That way we can get some sort of communication between us
No,
and them.
no one
before
that
they
lives
come
here is here right now. So
in. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
I do.
And hey guys, really, we're just coming here for this complaint.
Okay, no, I get it.
The reason I apologize for no one coming to the door.
You want to bet that
The issue was
someone from this house comes down here all of a sudden?
I'm sure they fucking, I think a bunch of them bolted.
Oh, guaranteed, yeah.
And they knew we were in the front. They all,
There was some coming up behind us, and they I don't know where they went, but they looked like they were probably headed this direction.
yeah.
So hey, just go ahead and
Yes, please just go call someone. Thank you.
We'll be right back.
All right. Well, they told me they just lived across the street, so that means they're Sigma Chi.
Yep, there's Sigma Chi. He pointed right at it.
Yes, he did. That was not smart.
Not
Don't
intelligent,
tell me
young
they're
man.
in a fucking off-campus sorority
Yeah,
house.
yeah, 100%. 100%.
Bunch of fucking idiots. If I have to, I'll just start running plates and
Yeah,
attack all of
I
them.
was seriously thinking the same thing. Kick it all to campus back. Have a nice day. Figure out who these people
They
were.
threw a big ass party with underage drinkers, and they all left and wouldn't come to the door, so they're uncooperative.
Yep.
Here are the names of the people who were there. Their vehicles were there at least.
You can play stupid games if you want to.
There's a party somewhere.
their music got real quiet.
Real fast.
Yeah.
Real fast. Most
I mean,
complaints.
Sigma Fez is the only one that I hear.
Yep.
They said they're going to another party. I wonder if there's another Greek party somewhere.
Probably. Because they were taking alcohol somewhere.
Yeah, they were going somewhere.
But hey, they abandoned it.
Yep.
But guess what? Start dumping alcohol. They abandoned property. I like it when they abandon their shit.
Yep. Is there more in there?
You don't want to get in the hands of underage youth.
Exactly. Street youths. The White Claws?
White Claws.
Nice.
They're going to be so angry at me.
I hate it when I leave my White Claws. Oh, they're cold too. Man.
Yeah, these are cold.
Whew. Oh my God. An open one. Hello.
You do that? Learned that from a college kid.
Yep.
All right, Josh. Good Jordan, you talk to them.
Yep.
Maddie.
Okay. Hi, this is Officer Walker Moss from Big Time. Maddie, 1 second. Turn the volume up on this phone here. Can you hear me, Maddie? You live at 182
Queen Road.
Okay. So, hey, the reason that we're here is that we received complaints of live music, parties.
Not a fan of White Claws?
Never
had one, never will.
Running away,
No one should be a fan of White Claws or Truly.
coming for alcohol, and then we sat here for approximately 10 minutes, knocking the door, and no one was coming.
Good on you. I wish I did. I did when I was in college.
Thanks, man.
Right now, if I can, I would like to collect.
I remember what it's like
information,
being a college kid.
date of birth, and I'm guessing, and I want your current address also as well. Okay.
Yeah, I'm going to take that.
It's okay.
I have no
I don't assume that's Gatorade.
It's Payne's house.
How do you spell it, Maddie?
Loaded weapon right there. Twisted T. Whack! Remember that video? The dude smokes that guy.
I have no clue who this is.
I don't know. You can leave it there.
I'm sure whoever's passing it will come grab it.
They're gonna be sad when they come find it.
Yeah.
So I tell you guys are Sigma guys?
I'm a Sigma.
I was in a house, but I'm not.
You what?
What?
You graduated.
Graduated.
There you go.
I will graduated the bachelor's. I'm still getting my master's right now. So.
But you get masters
All right,
at.
Madison.
I'd like to-
So here's the
Oh,
deal.
cool.
Okay.
I actually got a kid
They've
of mine
already
who
said that
started
no
in
one
that
here
program.
lives at
Really?
like
What's his
none
name?
of the occupants that
It's
live
the
at
first
this
grade.
address are here right now.
He's only
his last
he's a
Brandon
Oh,
Baker.
he's a person.
Oh.
You need
You
to let
won't
them
know
know
him.
that the noise needs
Did he
to,
go through
needs
Russia
to
though?
come down. Okay, we just received a
No,
complaint.
don't take this the wrong way. I
I
told
know
him
what
if he
you're gonna
joined a
say.
fraternity, I was going to disown him.
Yeah, I know what you're saying. I don't blame you. I see both sides of it.
I did it because I know his personality, and after a while, he would just be
I
pissed off
understand.
with everybody.
Okay, it's just.
So
I mean, if I were you guys, I'd probably just come home.
I was in a different
and
kind
make
of
sure that whoever is
not in it.
Like a
party here
scholarly one?
is keeping it down to.
No.
Alright, where's your one?
Okay. So at this point, we're going to leave. Okay. And again, if I have to come back later tonight, like I said, I just want to express
I played there
that
for
there's
2 years, rocking out
some
college.
citation given out. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Okay, you enjoy your evening, all right?
So you guys stage of your training is try them out, make sure they actually enjoy the job before you invest a whole lot more time.
Yeah, so we like to get them to this point, just to get them hired. It's a pretty substantial, like, they do a full background check, tons of interviews. We go to all their previous places of work. Like, we send people to where they live. So just to get to where you're hired is a big deal. And then it's 4 phases, 4 weeks each. They get progressively more burden put on them to do the job on their own, basically. And so we have like a 50% washout rate, believe it or not. Yeah. So
even if they were like from out of state, you try and send somebody there.
yeah. Yep. Like we send people to Montana and Illinois and California.
Like
and
personally from the police department, or you reach out.
our detective sergeant goes, talks to all their bosses, and pulls all their records. It's crazy because it's such a high liability. Like if you hire someone who's got a bad record and you don't
Right.
find it, you're stuck with them. So yeah, it's a pretty significant process.
Party like this in college.
No. I just drank in my apartment by myself. Seriously.
There's a party over there. I don't. Let's play for
It's Halo time.